Hello, dear viewers and learners. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the daily conversation class. This is Babul Akhtar is with you. How are you doing? Well, hope you are doing best. Hope you are safe from coronavirus and you are maintaining the health procedure. Today I'm going to today we are going to learn a new conversation on how we can describe likes and dislikes. In our daily life, we many things like, we many things don't like. So how we can express this is very important to know. To know likes and dislikes, we can ask questions three ways and we can answer the questions also three or four ways. So now let's go to the tutorial. We can ask someone likes in three ways. Number one, how do you like? What do you think of? Or do you like? So I've written three questions here, like, how do you like the Bangladeshi customs? What do you think of Bangladeshi customs? Do you like Bangladeshi customs? So you can ask other ways. Do you like city? Do you like the people? Do you like pizza? So you can change the subject. So you can change the noun and you can make many more sentences. Here also you can change the subjects and you can make a lot of sentences. Like, how does he like? How does she like? How do we like? How do they like? How does Kurim like? Then come to the second question. What does he think of it? What does he think of the people? What does he think of the city? What does he think of Bangladeshi customs? Then come to the third question. Does he like the cinema? Does he like the city? Does she like the city? Do we like the city? Do they like the city? Does Kurim like the city? So in this way, we can ask questions to know someone whether he likes it or dislike it. So if you have positive about something, then you can say, I love it. I really like it. It's okay. It's all right. Then if we don't like it or if we dislike it, then we can say, I can't stand it. I hate it. I don't like it at all. Okay? Then you can change the subject here. He cannot stand it. He hates it. He doesn't like it at all. We can't stand it. We hate it. We don't like it at all. They can't stand it. They hate it. They don't like it at all. So you can, in this way, you change the subject and then you make a lot of sentences. Now I'm going to give you exercise or practice with your partner. Think student A, it is you, and you ask your partner, and B is your, think student A, it is you, and B is your partner. So you ask your partner whether he likes or dislikes classical music, cat, dog, Italian food, horror movies, swimming. And your partner can ask you about playing cricket, going to cinema hall, walking in the morning, get up early in the morning, listening radio, watching TV, so etc. So hopefully you will practice with your friend and you can ask questions in 3 ways that I have discussed before. Now jump over a dialogue that I have made for you. So from this dialogue, we learn how to express like and dislike. Think that Asif and Jimmy, their husband and wife, they're watching a magazine or a scenario or picture. They have seen a Cox's Bazar, so they have decided to go to the Cox's Bazar. So what sort of conversations they are going to make? Let's we see. Asif is telling, this one looks great. I love Cox's Bazar. I love the seashore. Then Jimmy can say, so do I. I love to see sunset, the ocean, the sands, the scenario besides the seashore, blah, blah, blah. Here, so do I means you are agreeing with your partner. That means you also like it. So do I means I also like it. So you can change the subject here. So does he. He also like it. So do we. We also like it. So do they. Tara, they also like it. So does Kurim. Kurim also like it. Then next, the next dialogue. What do you think of sailing, swimming, windsurfing, and running horse? Oh, then Jimmy can say, oh, Asif, it sounds fantastic. It sounds great. I really like all those things. I like sailing, I like swimming, windsurfing, and running horse. Asif, yeah, me too. Jimmy, well, except windsurfing, to be honest, I hate windsurfing. But I love all other things. So Asif is replying, hey, look at this. Okay, he's pointing on a picture. Okay, we can stay in a big hotel or we can stay in a little cabin by the beach. Hey, look at this. We can stay in a big hotel or we can stay in a little cabin by the beach. Jimmy telling, you know, I really don't like those big hotels. Then Asif telling, neither do I. I also don't like. Let's stay in a cabin. I love to hear the sweet sound of the wave of the sea. Okay, so in this way they have finished their dialogues about going to the Cox's Bazar. So here, neither do I. There is another expression. Okay, that means you are not also agreeing with your partner. What your partner doesn't like, you also don't like. Neither do I. I also don't like it. Neither does he. He also doesn't like it. Neither does she. She also doesn't like it. Neither do they. They don't also like it. Neither do we. We don't also like it. Neither does Kurim. Kurim also doesn't like it. So, dear viewers and learners, it is clear to you how we can express likes and dislikes, how we can ask questions to know whether someone likes it or dislikes it, and we have learned how we can answer our how we can answer likes and dislikes, how we can express likes and dislikes. Dear viewers and learners, if you might have liked my tutorial on this conversation, and if you want to get more conversations in future, if you want to stick with my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get any notification from my channel. So thank you very much to watch it. I'm coming in the next tutorial with new conversations with dialogues. Thank you very much to be with me. Khuda Hafiz.